Right, guys, good afternoon. Welcome to our tutorial. I hope this recording is started. Okay, good day. Welcome to our tutorial, depending on when you're going to be seeing this. Okay, now here is how to navigate through trading. Sorry, navigate through your MetaTrader 5. Okay, now this tutorial is going to be super brief, but please you need to pay rough attention to it. All right, now of course you just need to go visit your Play Store, download MetaTrader 5, and then open it. The first time you're opening it, you may be prompted up with a few things. Just accept it, and then you're good. All right, so here in this tutorial, this is the interface you have. On the top you have these, and then below you have quotes, charts, trade history, and messages. All right, and then you have this menu panel, where you have these three lines. You have here trades, news, and all of that. So and you also have manage account, right? Of course, the most important things are the things I'm going to be telling you in this video. So on the manage account, when you click on it, that is when you have this screen here. Okay, so this screen is the number of accounts that are signed in your MetaTrader currently. So while I'm taking this tutorial, I have a $5,000 account signed in, and then I have a demo account signed in. Okay, the both is definitely for tutorials. So what do we do? The plus up here is what helps you to add a new account. All right, so let's take it that I want to add a new account, definitely, and that is what we're going to be working with. You already have opened the demo, maybe with a particular broker, or you opened your real account with your particular broker. You want to sign in that account, so you call me and search for the broker. So I want to add an account from Deriv, so I will search for Deriv. Let's see if Deriv comes up. Deriv is a broker. uh what it's happening? Okay, so I have the reef here. Which of them am I going for? Like seriously, I don't know which of these I'm gonna be selecting. I think the reef.com should be the right thing. Yeah, the reef.com should be the right thing. So I'm going in for the reef.com. So here in the reef, I can decide to. Sorry about that. The kind of noise environment currently while I'm doing this, and I'm doing this for the necessity of my students that I just signed up and keeps up asking how do I use MT5. Else I wouldn't have really done this where I currently am. Okay. All right. So what are we saying? You have here, you can open a demo account with Deriv if you want. Okay. And here, down here is where you enter your login details. I don't know, my screen may be blank currently because of my phone security. Okay, but I just listen to my voice. So here you have an opportunity to enter your to open a demo account, and then you have also the opportunity to sign in an already existing account. Then let's get to sign in an already existing account. So I'll have to type in the account name, the account number, that's the login ID, and then type in the password. Please, if you are doing this as a first timer, just follow what is on your screen. It's nothing difficult here. You just typing in the account login ID and then the account password. You select whether or not you are signing in a demo account, and then you are good to go. Okay. um so I don't know if the server I selected was the right one, because I really didn't check. But let's just get to see if it is the right one. Um, okay, I think it has finally logged in, has it? It's supposed to display my name though. If the login, okay, yeah, it has finally logged in. So you can see my name, and then you could see the instruments here and everything. All right, that is what we have just done. Okay, that's the first step. So here you have quotes. Here is where you have all your pairs. So if there is any pair you would love to trade that is not here, you click on the add button, and all of these folders contains different instruments. The same thing applicable for both forex, crypto, every different instrument at all, anything at all. Let me say I'm looking for BTC, for instance. This is BTC USD. Now I'll add it. I have checked it. If I want to add BTC, ETH, that's Ethereum, I'll add it. Once I've done this, I've added them to my pair. You can have them down here, so you can look at them here. So anything you want to add, you click on the plus button, and then let's say I'm looking for gold. Search for gold. Where is gold? You have gold here. Gold is already there. It's checked already, so there's no problem with that. So the same thing, if I want to edit or delete, I'll click on this pencil and then use the delete command to maybe delete out a few stuff that I don't like. Let's say stuffs like this, and then click on delete. It will help me reduce the pair. So that's that on that on that. Okay, so the next thing we have is chat. Chat here is, of course, you know what chat means. It helps you with the view of the market, especially when it comes to candles. That is the basic duty of the chart. So here in trades, it shows you the number of open trades. Let's go and open a trade. Okay, let's go to chart, and then let me show you how to open a trade. When you check on chart, at the top of the chart, you see that you have, you have a plus there, you have functions, you have time frame, you have set pending orders, and then you have instant execution. So you have stuff like this. So if I want to sell or buy instantly, I would either sell from here. This is the first time, that's why this is coming up. Okay, so the next I want to sell from here, I will just click sell, and then the sell position. Oh, this is good. Market is closed. Let's look for another pair that is open. Okay, BTC is open. Don't forget, this is a demo account too. I'm just doing this for this tutorial, so I can actually do anything on demo account. This is BTC. BTC is open, so I can actually sell BTC and then buy if I want. So I just need to click on buy or sell for me to sell BTC or buy BTC depending. So I just sold BTC, and here is a trade. You could see that the trade is running here as a sell. All right, if I want to buy, let's say I want to buy BTC Ethereum chart. I want to buy it, so I'll click on buy, and then I just clicked on buy BTC Ethereum. Now this is how my trade section looks like. Okay, that is that on that. Then the next thing I wanted to show you is how you place pending orders. And before, of course, you listen to this video, I expect you to know what a pending order is. A pending order is an order you are placing in advance for it to be activated maybe later. So it could be a buy limit, it could be a sell limit, it could be a buy stop, a sell stop, and whatever the case may be. So how do I do that? I click here. This is where you get the pending order. So this is for sell limit, and then anywhere I take it to, let's say I want the sell limit to be from here, and then I want stop loss to be above it, take profits to be below it. So once that is done, I'll click on the arrow below here where I have beside TP. I'll click on the arrow beside it to place my order. Excuse me. So I have just placed the sell limit, and here is the sell limit. Up here is the sell limit. Okay, that's how to place a sell limit. So it's a sell trade, but it has not yet activated. Okay, so that is it. So I can delete it. That's how to delete it. You click on the sale, the trade, and click on delete. So that is how you do that. The same thing applicable for buy limit. So if I need buy limit, I just need to move the limit order down, because this is where buy should be down, which is below the current market. I hope you understand. So that is that. Set my stop loss, set my take profit if I want. Click the arrow. Sorry. Let me do that again. Sell limit, sorry, buy limit. Set my stop loss, set my take profit. Click the arrow. Click the arrow. Okay, my stop loss was so close, that was why it wasn't doing. Okay, so here is where I can actually, up here you have a scale, you see minus this, minus that. This is lot size. I forgot to say something about it. This is lot size, so you either increase it or you decrease it. And the price here is the price level where you are placing the trade. And what you have here, the next to the left is your stop loss, to the right is your take profit. Why expiration is how long do you want this sell limit to last? Is it today, or you want it for specified days and all of that? That is that. So most times we work with UTC, so you click on place and then the order would be placed. The order would be placed. All right, so that is that on this. Okay, so you can actually delete it. So we are good. So this trade is actually running here. You could see, oh, our both trades are in profit. Beautiful. So this is it. Now, how do you close trades when they are in profit? You click on the trade for about 5 nanoseconds and this will pop up. Then you click on close trade. All right, this will come up and you close. Now, in some cases, you may open a trade with a very big lot size and then you don't want to close all the trade at once, and you would have to reduce the size of trade you want to close. So I'm going to do that again. Let me leave this side. Okay, let me close this and then do the other one and show us. Okay, so I'll click on close, close the trade. All right, before I do the next one, let me show you how to place a stop loss to a trade that you have already opened. So this trade is running, there is no stop loss, there is no take profit. For you to add those things, you just need to modify. So click on it, click on modify, and then here you can select your, add the price that you want to use as your stop loss. Here you can add the price you want to use as your take profit, and after which you click on modify. All right, so that is how to get that done. I don't know if okay, we can actually do that from the chart. I think that is way more easy now. So what do? I come to the chart, click on the trade, click on SL, click on take profit. This is fine. Click on the arrow and then modify. That's the best way to get it done, or the easiest way to get it done now. So that is that on that. So I was saying I need to show us how to close trades partially. So how do we do that? Let's go to quotes, or we can even use this guy. Let's just do it from this chart. So this time around I want to increase my lot my lot to, let's say, 5, 0.5 I mean to say, and then I want to buy. So I have just placed a buy trade that is 0.5. All right, but then I want to, let's say I am in profit. Oh, you could see the loss, how big it is. Let's say I'm in profit. I want to close some of the trades and leave some to run. So I can just come here and click on close. Now, instead of closing the entire 0.5 lot trade, can decide to reduce it to reduce the trade and close only 0. Let's say 1 or 0.2 or 0.25, which is half of it. Close it. So 0.52 has closed. So we now have 0.52 left to be running. All right, that is the beauty of MT5. MT4 cannot do this effectively. All right, so that is how to make use of your MT Trader 5. That's MetaTrader 5. If there is any other thing is on history, this is where you see your trades, the ones that you have placed, ensure the ones that you have closed, both your running trades and, sorry, both your profit and losses and loss. Okay, so here is where you can select the duration of the history. Is it only today? Is it last week? Is it, you can do custom period, 3 months, as the case may be. So generally, this is how to make use of MetaTrader 5. And then one more thing. Next thing is how to switch from one time frame to another. So from here, I can decide to switch to MT5, sorry, to 30 minutes, to 1 day, to 1 minute, as the case may be, depending on what I want, right? Yes. So what else? The next thing is how to add or draw shapes. So you just click on the chart. This ring would most likely come up, and then you can click here to select any shape you want to draw, maybe for your analysis or your check or whatsoever. Let's go with horizontal. So I'll click horizontal and then draw the line here. All right. If I want to delete it, click on the line and use delete. Right. So that is that. What else? What else? What else? The same thing applicable if I want a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Can actually draw it here, right? Just something like this. You will use that mostly for POI, point of interest. So that is that. For people who trade with indicators, this is the function for indicators. It is here. You can click on the F plus to add any indicator of your choice. I don't work with indicators, so I don't do that. But let's just add a moving average. So just select let's say 21 period, 21 period, save. So we now have, this line, this red line is the moving average. Okay, this class is not for me to discuss what a moving average is or how it works, but just to show you how MT5 generally works. So you use your two fingers to zoom in and zoom out, and then you use the scale here to adjust the height of your screen. And then finally you work with two windows, such that one window up could be one currency and the other could be another currency. So we have something like this, we have something like this. All right, so let's select this type of window. So selecting that type of window, this is what we have, such that down here we have BTC ETH, and up here we have uh that is silver SAG USD. Okay, so you can actually change this to, let's say, BTC USD. So BTC USD is up here and BTC ETH is down here. That is when you are working with two windows. Okay, so for you to return to the normal, you just click it for some nanoseconds. It will change to this way, and then click on the arrow, it will restore to normal. If you want to do the same thing in the other way, you click it, the arrow would now point down. You click on the arrow, it will return to two windows. So that is that on how to make use of MetaTrader 5. I hope you understand. All right, see you in my next tutorial.